Hey everyone, I'm Starla from Starti. Creating high-performing UGC ads usually takes days of shooting and editing. But today, I'm going to show you how to generate a completely ready-to-run 30-second ad in a fraction of the time using our Video Agent. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Video Agent to create a UGC-style video ad. From the left menu, jump into Video Agent and select your target brand. From there, you can start typing your creative ideas directly into the chat box. For this example, I want to make a 30-second UGC ad for the Nike app. My prompt is, Nike app becomes less like a shopping app and more like a daily style and sport companion. I want to focus on new drops, outfit inspiration, training energy, and member perks. The format is 9:16, selfie style, featuring a young lifestyle creator. The tone should feel like a friend recommending an app, definitely not a hard sell. After submitting the prompt, the agent starts by reading up on the brand and interpreting my creative direction. It then generates a draft brief, outlining the project goals and production guidelines. Once I hit approve, the agent moves straight into concept development. For any video ad, nailing the creative concept is critical. The agent doesn't just generate a random idea. It really thinks through the brand, the audience, and the objective, pitching several different creative directions. For each concept, it provides a pitch, a visual style, execution details, and most importantly, a taxonomy profile. This taxonomy profile breaks down the concept across 3 major dimensions and 17 subdimensions: how the ad looks, what the ad shows, and why the ad persuades. These dimensions are tailored specifically for ad creatives, and it's where our agent really shines. It always starts from the perspective of ad performance, figuring out which concept works best, the ideal visual language, the right video structure for clear messaging, and the hook or call to action most likely to drive real results. Once I select a concept, the agent automatically moves on to script writing. Here, we can see the agent has mapped out the character, along with the actions, dialogue, and duration for 2 different scenes. If I wanted to tweak the script, I could just chat directly with the agent to make adjustments. But for now, I'll go ahead and approve it as is. We'll cover how to make specific localized edits in our other tour videos. Once the script is approved, the agent begins designing the storyboard, which includes character design, environment design, and shot planning. It maps out the structure of the storyboard first and then generates the image assets one by one. Because this is a UGC-style video, the agent only needs to visually design the character and the environment. The rest of the video is mapped out through text beats, exactly like a creator's production plan. Next up is the video and audio generation phase. The agent automatically selects the best model to generate each video clip. In this case, we can see it generated 2 15-second clips. The first one looks great, very natural, but the second one is a bit off. The character's transition in the environment and the way she's holding the phone look a little unnatural. So, I'll just ask the agent to regenerate the second clip and specify not to have the character holding a phone. The second attempt is much better, but there are still a few minor flaws, so I'll tweak it one more time. Perfect! This one is spot on. Next, I'll have the agent put together a rough cut. Then, I can click this button to open up the editor. Since the agent generated 2 15-second clips, we don't need any complex editing. Simply stitching them together works perfectly. But to make it feel like a truly authentic UGC video, I want to add some captions. I can just tell the agent my exact requirements. Add captions with a white background and black text, synced perfectly with the character's dialogue. The agent listens to the speaker in the video and automatically adds the matching caption overlays. It looks pretty good. From here, we can go straight to rendering. And just like that, we have our final product. Nice work!